What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Mike, aka Living with 3M Auto Vlogging. That's right, that's Big Zeus in the background, my 2018 lifted Indo Raptor. In case y'all don't know what an Indo Raptor is, better head on over to the channel page. Check out all my videos regarding the mods of the Indo Raptor Zeus. So let me ask you, how many of you guys absolutely hate the fact that you have CarPlay in your vehicle, whether it be cars and trucks, newer model cars, you know what I'm saying? You got the CarPlay, but every time you get in it, you got to plug that wire in. Plug that wire. You're digging, you're looking for that USB cable, and half the time they don't work right because this cable doesn't do data right, the other one doesn't. You got to reach out to Apple, Android, you got to get a special cable, USB, USB-C. Well, I'm here to tell you, you don't have to mess with the cable no more. Check this out. And it's from a company called PAIRR. They are going to hook you up with the wireless CarPlay or unhook you if you want rid of the cord. So I think CarPlay was actually introduced to cars in 2014. I'm not sure. Y'all drop a comment below and let me know if that's when you guys got yours. So if y'all do not have CarPlay, you cannot use this. You have to have CarPlay for this wireless to work. So with a brand new F150, you should get CarPlay, or GMC, Chevrolet, Toyota. They usually all come with the CarPlay. All right, for mine was the factory sync system. It had CarPlay. All right, but I switched out all of my head unit to the large Tesla style touchscreen. But as you can see, the white box down here, it does have CarPlay with it. Has a module, but there again, it's still wired, which is a pain in the rear. As you see, I've got CarPlay wire that I mount. I've got my phone mount up here, the bullet point, and that usually plugs into my phone up here. All right, but we're going to unplug it from right here. That's a USB connection, and I'm going to plug the wireless adapter in here. On yours, it may be different. On yours, it may be inside here. You may have the factory USB in here. On the F150, the factory one was right there. But when I installed this brand new head unit, I'm not going to use it for that now. If you have a factory sync system, you're going to plug in right here. So I'll go ahead and show you guys what's in the package. And I think it's the neatest thing because you have the adapter, which is right here. You also have a USB-C adapter in case you have USB-C ports in your car. So if you don't have the USB-C port, just standard USB, this will work perfectly. But if you've got a brand new car, 2023 and up, I think they'll have the USB-Cs. And that's just a different type connector, but PAIRR has you covered on both ends. So we won't be needing the C connector right now. Whoever is doing the rain dance, it worked. Now stop. So I had to pull the truck back here under the carport. Bad thunderstorms. It seems like it has rained for weeks on end. So got to bring these videos to you guys one way or another. So sorry about the rain on the old tin roof sound, but let's get to it. I'm going to show you what normally happens with the wired connection. I get in the truck and I see that. Then I have to search for the cord, plug the cord in, and then CarPlay connects, wired, pops up right there. So mine is right here. It's usually tucked back up under, but for this aftermarket head unit, I'm going to unplug the wire and I'm going to plug in the wireless. All right, so this is the Get Paired wireless CarPlay. Okay, so it's asking to be paired right now. So what I've got to do is go into my phone and enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Okay, so we're going into Wi-Fi. You want to make sure Wi-Fi is enabled, and we're going to turn Bluetooth on. You want to come down here for CarPlay. Pairing request, we're going to pair. Allow. Connected to CarPlay. There we go. It's that simple. Connect. Look at that, guys. I'm wireless. Is that not awesome? Yes. Now all my music, everything, podcasts, listen to my favorite radio stations. I've got my maps. I've got everything that CarPlay offers without the wire. That's right, wireless. Now this is just me, but I wouldn't discard the wire altogether. I would throw it in the glove box, because at some point in time you'll be out somewhere and you will need to charge your phone. Plug it in the USB, charge the phone, then throw it back in the glove box. But you don't need it for anything other than charging your phone. So that's going to do it for the install of the wireless CarPlay from PAIRR. And don't think that this wireless Mini is all they have to offer. Head on over to PAIRR, check them out. I got links in the description. They've got tons of other cool gadgets. I'm telling y'all, if you just check them out, you'll see. I even saw one where you can plug it in and it'll pull up and you can stream movies right from your touch screen. How about that? I mean, it's unreal. Check them out, guys. Why? Because this video is a wrap.